Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to DIY a super unique water filtration system for your fish tank. The whole setup is made from PVC pipes and clear acrylic tubes. Really simple and easy to put together. First, I'll start with building the main filter unit. I'm using some large plastic pipes as the base for 3 separate filter chambers. Each chamber has its own job in cleaning the water. I measured and cut 2 holes on a plastic sheet to mount the filter on it. Once everything was lined up, I glued it all carefully to make sure it's completely sealed. Next, I attach the clear acrylic tube so we can actually see the water flow and any debris inside. After that, I set up the output section to let the water flow back into the tank. Once all 3 chambers were done, I assembled the whole system right by the fish tank. I used clear acrylic on key sections so I could keep an eye on the water movement. For the filter media, I used 3 layers in this order: crushed coral for basic filtration and pH stability, lava rock to grow beneficial bacteria, and finally, a block-style sponge for fine filtration. Once the media was in place, I connected the pipe from my DIY pump to the first chamber. Then I plugged in the pump and watched the water flow through each section. The water started moving smoothly and steadily. This is the result of combining easy-to-find materials with a smart, practical design. The whole system is cost-effective and gives excellent filtration for your fish tank. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll get back to you.
Thank you for watching.